Slow and steady wins the race. Check out how in the upcoming 4 minutes. Welcome to become a user experience designer, the learning curve is mostly experimental. This comes slowly and at its own pace, and every successful project executed and new lessons learned along its way. What if you tell you that's not the only path and we have unlocked a new path which could boost this process and give you an edge over its competitors? It's so simple, I wish I knew it sooner. This video is based on the very popular LinkedIn post by Sivaprasad Paliyath, who is UX mentor and consultant. Just follow these few easy steps. Pick a notebook, any notebook, period. Label it as UX I don't know. Just do it. Name your notebook. Now as we are done with the shenanigans, let's start the actual work. Note down. As we scroll around innumerable UX materials in the form of videos, blogs, articles and podcasts, enter all the new concepts in your notebook. These concepts can be new or unfamiliar to you in that instant. Let the curious child in you peek out to answer those. But remember one thing, to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and also this. Leave at least 4 to 5 line space below each noted concept. This is to enter answers to those concepts. Now, if you are as curious as me, the first sign of you belonging to the right field of work, this empty line will not let you sleep. So now, pick a day of the week to review the concepts entered. This is when you will find answers and go through all the concepts and answers you previously entered and completed. I do this on Saturdays. Brushing, bathing and cleaning concepts. Repeat, make a habit. On this day, go through each concept you are not clear about and try to find answers in the following ways. Google for simple ones. You can also search groups and forums for answers. For complex answers, reach out to your colleagues and more experienced practitioners on LinkedIn or social media. Collect all the aspects of the answer. Create an understanding for yourself by reviewing all material you read and all the knowledge you received from experienced practitioners and colleagues. Use the space you left under each entry. Now, you would ask, should I doodle in that space? No. This is to write down your understanding of the topic as briefly or in depth as you want. And the most important thing is, keep reviewing questions and answers. This is so that each concept gets engraved in your mind. Also, this book can serve as your own holy Bible in the career path ahead. Thou shall guide you in UX career. And to conclude, this path might look simple but it's efficient. Your UX learning are now structured and organized, scoping even for revision through repeated concept exposure. Faster. Concepts will become clearer because of repeated exposure. You will be able to get these concepts and explanations whenever you need them as you speak, such as during client interactions or job interviews. This simple technique is one of the best way to stay focused and stay learning exponentially. Also, heartiest thanks to Sivaprasad Paliyath for sharing this thoughtful insight with all his LinkedIn community. Don't forget to follow him on LinkedIn, links in the description, and send him hearts from his contribution to the UX community. What's your structural approach to learn UX? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this lesson provided you value, do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.